Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video, I will be showing you how to use fresh tomatoes and paprika to make authentic stew. So here I have fresh tomatoes and paprika. So first of all, I'm going to cook it now. So I will add the tomatoes inside my pot. Say there's no water. So I'll cover it. I'm going to cook it for like 30 to 40 minutes. Don't add water. So the tomato, when the tomatoes start boiling now, so the thing is going to bring water out. So you don't need to add water. If you on your gas, just load the gas. Then I'm going to start cooking it now. So it's already 40 minutes. So you can see, look at the water that come out. So I'm going to pour it into fit. I'm going to pour it now. I'm going to filter the water. You can see the water that come out of it. So I'm still going to leave it. I'm still going to leave it for a while for the water to seep out. So yeah, before I blend it. So you can see after 20 minutes, look at the water that still come out of it. So now I'm going to blend it. Here I already have fresh pepper and onions. Now the tomatoes is ready to make the stew. You can see. You can see. So you can see I have a lot of tomatoes there. So I'm going to use this one to make the stew. Why I will keep this inside my freezer. So next time I can also use it to make stew. So now the chicken is soft enough. So I'm going to dry it in the oven. So I'm going to add vegetable oil. I will hot the oil for like 2 minutes. So now I'm going to steam the tomatoes. I'm going to steam it for a while. So I have steamed the tomatoes for a while, for like 2 minutes. So now I'm going to add onions. So I will still allow the onions to dry with the tomatoes paste. So I have steamed the tomatoes paste and onions for like 3 minutes. So now I'm going to add fresh tomatoes. The tomatoes. So this is nutmeg, curry, Maggi. You stir it. So I'm going to add this for aroma. So this is my chicken stock. So I'm going to add it later. First of all, I will cover it to done for like 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, so now I'm going to add the chicken stock. You stir it again. Cover it to done again for like 10 minutes. So now the stew is ready. So now I'm going to add the chicken. You can fry your chicken, you can toast it in oven, anyone you want. You can even use boiled chicken, just boil it and use it to cook stew. Anyone you want, it's okay. So as you can see, the stew is ready.